Hello, my beautiful people. You people will not believe what happened in my kitchen today. Oh. My elder sister's son, but me, I just call him my son because in this family, everybody's child is everybody's child. Decided that he too must enter my kitchen and show the world his cooking power. I didn't beg him or I didn't even bribe him with sweets. He just woke up one day and said, Auntie, record me. I want to show your fans how I cook. I said, this boy has come with confidence today. Let's do it. So, my lovely people, grab your popcorn and your drink, sit back and watch how this my son is about to perform magic in my kitchen. Please, if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because in this family we don't play, we cook and we entertain. Now, over to my junior chef. Enjoy!
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make my famous soft frosted sugar cookies. These are amazing sugar cookies. They look store-bought, so let's get into the video. Here are your ingredients you will need to make your sugar cookies. Add butter and sugar. Then turn on your electric hand mixer on medium speed until blended. Then add in your vanilla. Then add in your flour. Then add cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then stir to combine till it forms a dough. Once the sugar cookie dough is well combined, place the cookie dough on a plastic wrap. Once it's wrapped, shape the dough into a round disc. Once the dough is shaped, put into the refrigerator for 2 hours. Here's what you need to make your sugar cookie frosting. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Add the butter and powdered sugar. Then add your heavy cream and vanilla. Then turn on the electric hand mixer till it gets light and fluffy. If the frosting is not fluffy, add more heavy cream.
And yummy forget the past. Laughing and dancing every dish. One taste and you'll be yelling shoot. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with SD, come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood.
Now that it is fluffy, add food coloring.
So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with Esther, come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood. Hey, hey, it's Esther in the pot. Stir it up, baby, make it hot, hot, hot. From okra to stew, you know what to do. Pull up the chair, I'm cooking for you.
Now that we're done with the frosting, this is how it came out. It looks so nice. Now let's set that aside for later. Dust a fair amount of flour, then transfer your cookie dough to the floured surface and put flour on top. Then roll it out till it is thick just like that, and then cut it into rounds using a wine glass. I'm using a wine glass because I don't got a round cookie cutter.
So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub.
Get a sheet tray lined with aluminum foil and bake the cookies in the oven for about 10 minutes. Once the cookies are done, place them on a wire rack for about 10 minutes so they can cool down. Once the cookies are done cooling, let's put the frosting and sprinkles on top. This is what I love doing.
Palm oil popping, crayfish rocking. Cook the fish, jumping, no time for talking. Slice that okra, spice it bold. Watch this magic pot unfold. Cooking with SD flavor on glass. Healthy and yummy, forget the fast. Laughing and dancing with every dish. One taste and you'll be yelling sheesh. So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with SD, come for the food. Stay for the vibe and the happy mood.
Voila, ta-da! And that is how you make soft frosted sugar cookies. These cookies are amazing and they taste good. So thanks for watching and keep watching for more videos. Bye!
So hit that like, don't forget to sub. We're bringing joy from the kitchen hub. Cooking with